The deal is a 2004 W900 dump truck. This has got the drop axles on it, just as the rest of these three do. It has the C11 Assert Cat with the 13 speed behind it. Got 44K rear drives and the 3 drop axles. It's got a heavy duty front end, and I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around video. 4-stage lift, 259,000 miles on it, or 260, something like that. Check the ad. And it's a clean, nice little truck, ready to go to work. A-ride cab and all, boys. So take a look at this right here, and we'll do a quick little walk around for you. As you see, a 3 air ride suspension. Good tread in the rear. As you can see, it's a single frame. It's got a demo box on it. All the lights seem to be working besides one. Just sees a bulb or a filament. Has an extra lip in the back. The door seals up very well. There's a very minimal gap there, which is normal. The box is in really good shape inside, especially. As you can see, they haven't been dropping rocks. Mainly been used to haul sand and dirt. Good seal here again. It does have electric tarp system on it. Nice and clean little truck. Go ahead and pop open this hood, let you see this engine. All right. Does have the tandem steer front axle. As you can see, very minimal to no blow by. Very clean runner. Getting the 5-stage hoist on it. Sealing up good. There's no leaking that we see. Air ride seat in the front. Okay. I'm gonna restate that. 289,000 miles on it. Showing 3,350 hours. It's got good oil pressure. .13 speed. Cold AC. Does have the 3 spare drop axles here. I'm going to put those up as well. Does have a Cobra CB radio. The fan clutch is working. Let's go ahead and turn that on or off. Okay. Power mirrors, heated mirrors, heat and AC. Now the drops are up on it. Nice clean little interior. Headliner's not in too bad a shape, not ripped or torn. Same with the seat. This is unit 60509. It's a nice little truck, boys. If you need a drop axle truck ready to go to work, this is your truck. Located here in Roanoke, Texas. If you're interested in this truck, please contact us at Equipment Deals at 1-972-666-9501. Based out of Dallas, Texas, but we're selling across the country. You can also call us on our toll-free number at 1-855-EQ-DEALS. That's Edward December, D-E-A-L-Z. Or visit us at equipmentdeals.com. We'll also have the truck listed there. It's a nice little clean truck. We've got 3 to choose from. Take one or take all. They're all available. We'll give you a quick little preview video just up next here, so you can see this truck in action and see how it works. We'll show the tarp working, we'll show the hoist working, we'll show the drop axles working, and the transmission and brakes, so you guys can get a full confidence buy on this one. So again, look out for that video. It'll be the operations video.